Hey everybody, this is Reverend Kid Holmes. It is time for One Mind Wednesday on Wednesday, the 4th of February, 2026. Just like to remind you today to, throughout your day, take a breath, shift your focus, rinse and repeat. That might mean not doom scrolling for a little bit. That might mean stepping out into nature for a little bit just to look up at the sky, look down at the earth, find a tree, find a river, find a lake, find a mountain, find wherever you are. Walk in the desert. Just take a breath. Give gratitude. Give thanks that you can take a breath. That simple act in and of itself will shift everything. Even when we go into that place of doom and of gloom and the sky is falling, everything's falling apart, we go into fear. It's amazing what will happen if we notice, okay, I'm going into fear. Notice, okay, I'm feeling angry. Notice, I'm feeling tremendous grief. Notice, I'm feeling joy. Notice that there are good things. This is the shift we can make. When we feel like we're collapsing in on ourselves and there doesn't seem to be any solution, the reminder is to take that breath. Remember, you're taking a breath. You woke up today. There's a reason for you to be here. There is a really good reason for you to be here. So start with gratitude. Start with that. Let the rest of it go. Because as soon as we give space, we give that breath and give ourselves an intentional space in consciousness, we know what to do. We know how to move through the day. But we have to listen to the higher self within, and we can only do that when we take a breath and shift. Consciously, intentionally shift focus. Quantum physics, quantum theory tells us that's exactly what happens. We change the conditions of our lives, we change our experience of life as soon as we shift our focus. So, if you want more peace, shift your focus to what you can do, not just sitting around thinking about peace, but what you can do to contribute. It's two parts of it. There's the thought and there's the action. If you want more love, shift your focus. I want to see more love in the world. How can I show up as more love in the world? I know you get it. So just take a breath today. Take several. Take as many conscious breaths as you can. All right. I'm taking a few more breaths today too. Always with gratitude that I can. Always gratitude that there is immense good coming from what might look like chaos right now. Just hold it, hold it. That's where I hold it. I hold that there is a beautiful, lovely, loving transformation happening in humanity right now, and I'm going to stick on that side. All right. I will see you again next Wednesday for One Mind Wednesday. Remember that we are all a part of the One Mind, so kindness matters, and love is indeed the only answer. Get on out there and love y'all and breathe. All right. Love y'all dearly. I'll see you next week. Take care.